Happy Sunday! I finally made it to weigh in on a Sunday morning. Yes, I made it out of bed. A little late, 5 minutes late, but did not miss very much of open house. Really, the big reason that I wanted to go today is because I wanted to see my leader do open house. So now I have some sort of semblance as to what it might look like when I do my open house in like an hour. Okay, maybe 2 hours, thank goodness. So I have 2 hours to prepare for open house. Anyway, I finally made it to weigh in on a Sunday. The last time I weighed in was about 2.5 weeks ago, and I was 146.6. My lifetime goal is 145, so I was over my lifetime goal. Today I weighed in at 144.0, so I am back under my lifetime goal, and I lost 2.6. So yay! I'm sure that some of that has to do with the difference between weighing in the morning versus the evening, but I'm just not even going to question it. I'm just going to take it and roll with it. I would like to continue weighing in on Sunday mornings just to keep that consistent, to keep the whole thing relative. So I don't know, maybe next weekend, maybe the weekend after, just kind of play it by ear. I should probably be able to weigh in next weekend. It's just, sometimes it's literally just a matter of getting out of bed, but I feel great. So that's that. So I'm down 2.6. That makes me happy. I've backed off on the alcohol this week, so that probably helped at some point. Although I swear to you, I am one of those people that gains weight when I stop drinking. So maybe I'm already in my, I've already kind of made it past that little gain, and maybe now I can start losing. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just trying to be real careful, stay within my blue dots. I think, I need to look, but I think I've gotten a blue dot every day, 5 days in a row. That's pretty good because it's been a long time for me, and especially on a weekend. I'm just really wondering about yesterday because I haven't actually added up my points for yesterday with the Mexican food, but I still think I was in blue dot range. So for a weekend, for me, that's amazing to have a blue dot on a weekend. I don't know about you guys, but my weekends tend to be just, today I have nothing really planned. Like I need to go do this open house, and then I need to do random stuff like laundry and stuff, and I'll probably go have salmon salad. So there's really nothing that should stop me from hitting my blue dot today also. So that's my goal. I need to get back to my directions because I'm starting to look a little bit lost. Okay, I'm at Starbucks. I'm about to go in and get some coffee. I brought an apple with me today. Not really hungry for an apple yet, so I'm going to start with coffee and study a little bit. I'm going to have a tall Americano with real half and half. Yeah. So I'll probably legitimately, honestly do between 2 to 3 tablespoons of half and half. So I'm just going to count 3 points for 3 tablespoons and enjoy my nice, creamy Americano. That's what I'm having right now. 3 points. Okay, I don't know what I was worried about because that was so easy and it was so much fun. It was a 45-minute presentation, but I also did have some feedback from the members. We had a couple new people, and it was a lot of fun. It helps that I know what I'm talking about. Of course, if I was a new coach, I'd be maybe a little lost and probably a lot more freaked out. But it ended up going really, really well. It was really fun just to present everything that WW has to offer, all of the programs, the smart points, the 3 pillars. It went really well, and I think that even the members that have been coming for a while were very receptive and hopefully learned some new information as well. So if you guys didn't know, the 3 pillars of WW are food, activity, and mindset. So we talked about all 3 of those, talked about our partnership with Blue Apron, WW Fresh, Active, Headspace. We talked about the wellness wins and all of the digital tools and all the cool things you can do on the digital tools as far as like scanning and the calculator and the recipe builder, and when would you use the scanner versus the calculator. And we talked about blended drinks, blended fruit drinks. I think we covered a lot of ground in 45 minutes, and it was just so fun. It helps that I'm super passionate about this topic. Of course, I love WW so much. It has changed my life so much in so many ways, and I love being a WW coach. So that was a blast. It's funny because I have been freaked out for a week. I have literally been so stressed. I was trying not to think about it and just take it as it comes, but it went really well. So there's that. So it's about it's 3 o'clock already. I am headed to have salmon salad because that just sounds amazing. I'm going to have a large salmon salad, which is 5 smart points, plus the 3 smart points that I had earlier in my coffee will take me to 8 points so far for the day. I'm still looking for blue dots, so I doubt that I'll have another full meal after this, so I may just have, I don't know, some snacks. I have a few things that I want to try, like the WW oatmeal banana bread, which is not a specific WW recipe, but it's the banana bread that you make with the WW oatmeal. I think I have all the ingredients for that, so I may make that tonight and enjoy that for 3 smart points, or I have some of the WW chocolate mug cakes. I could have some of that for 3 smart points. I have smart cakes in the freezer. I think I even have some rice pudding in the freezer, so whatever I have tonight will probably just be like snacky stuff. I also kind of feel like popcorn. Oh, I kind of feel like a movie. Ooh, I just got the movie bug. I do have things I could do. I need to drop some stuff off to Mama Rita, and I need to do laundry, but a movie sounds really fun. I'll have to think about that. Anyway, onward to salmon salad. That was so good. I cannot get enough of that salmon salad. The salmon is always cooked so perfectly. It's amazing. So I had the salmon salad, 5 smart points, and then I had something that I don't normally have. It always comes with zucchini bread. I had the zucchini bread today for 9 smart points, and it was worth it. Like, I would definitely not have that very often, but for 9 points today, it was totally worth it. So I'm at 14, 15, 17 points so far, and not really gonna have a huge dinner. I think we can make it work for a blue dot. Yeah. Okay, I'm finally gonna make the oatmeal banana bread. I'm super excited. This is what I'm having. I wouldn't really call it dinner, but it's what I'm snacking on tonight. So it calls for an oatmeal packet. So you can use, I have the WW oatmeal packets. You can use some Great Value or whatever serving size oatmeal packets that you have. It just needs to be a serving size, 1 serving size. This WW cranberry orange oatmeal is 3 smart points. So 1 container of single serving oatmeal, 1 egg for 0 points, and 1 very ripe banana for 0 points. So the whole banana bread, oatmeal banana bread, is going to be 3 smart points. Now I don't have any spray oil to spray my tin with, and I'm really afraid it's going to stick if I don't. So I'm going to use some butter and just rub it onto the pan so that the oatmeal or the banana bread doesn't stick. So I'm actually going to count an extra point for the butter. So if you make this at home, you're going to have spray butter or spray oil to coat your pan with, and your oatmeal banana bread will be 3 smart points. Mine is going to be 4 smart points, and I'm okay with that. So let's mix all this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's my oatmeal banana bread so far. I know I shouldn't eat raw eggs, but it tastes really good. I just had a little sample. So I also forgot to mention that the original recipe calls for the oatmeal, a banana, an egg, and also a teaspoon of baking powder. I don't have any baking powder, so mine is probably not going to rise very much. I'm okay with that. But if you're making this, don't forget to add a teaspoon of baking powder. So I am now going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees, at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully it rises a little bit. Okay, so while the banana bread cooks, I'm gonna have this orange for 0 smart points. Okay, here's my banana bread. It's cute. It's little, it did not rise really, but it looks fine. I cooked it for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, I literally have this big chunk right here. I'm gonna taste it right away. It was pretty good. The texture is not super bread-like. It's kind of eggy. But it tastes good. I wonder if it would be different with the baking powder. It's good, it's just not like banana bread. Sorry guys. I'm gonna eat it though. All 3 points. No, 4 points. All 4 points worth. I'm gonna eat it and I'm gonna enjoy it. Okay, the last thing I'm having tonight for the day is this hot cocoa. This is Jaffa's hot cocoa, and it is also from Australia. It's hot cocoa. It's very chocolatey with a very, very light orange flavor. It's not super sweet, so it's just really just kind of rich and just yummy. The light orange flavor just makes it so unique. I love it. Thank you so much, Dee. This is 2 smart points, and this is how I'm ending my day.